What if I brought forward from DIN 120? I'm learning that DIN 121 truly is the practical application of DIN 120, DIN 111, and DIN 110. Last Monday, we were given the information needed to practice patient operator positioning and finger placement for our periodontal instruments. On Wednesday, we were given the opportunity to put those skills into practice. At a glance, it appeared relatively simple. I soon learned that was not the case. That experience has increased my appreciation for the material in the textbooks. For example, the GSS textbook has a sequence: me, my patient, my equipment, my non-dominant hand, my dominant hand, evaluation. Initially, I thought that sequence was not very significant. I again was proved wrong. Also, the textbook provided diagrams for finger placement, which proved very helpful during clinic. One of the things that stood out to me from DIN 111 was the fact that patients should never, ever close down on the saliva ejector tip. Also, the procedures that we touched on in DIN 111 were put into practice during DIN 121. For example, we were given the opportunity to clean out our high volume evacuators and suction traps. Going forward, I'm going to try to glean as much information from the textbooks as possible, whether that be through note-taking or teaching. Also, I'm going to try to treat each class experience as preparation for my exams and my career as a whole. How will I incorporate what I've learned into my everyday life as a clinician? As I mentioned, the sequence in the textbook seemed insignificant. I was soon proved wrong. One of the essential skills of being a dental hygienist is paying attention to details, even if those details seem trivial. When presented with a new concept, I'm going to ask myself, would I actually use this during my career in dental hygiene? 90% of the time, the answer will be yes.